this video, we're gonna turn Kamala Harris's picture into a pixelized image. So let's start. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start from here. You can see I have two layers. I have Kamala's picture and I have the USA flag. So first let's click on Kamala's layer and remove the background. So let's get the magic wand and press on select subject, and it selects Kamala from the background, and press on the layer and then press Ctrl J, and it will remove the background in a new layer. And now you can delete this layer here, the previous one, and now you can see the flag behind Kamala. So let's merge the two layers. Press on both layers holding shift and then right click and then merge layers. And now we need to smoothen the picture. So let's go to filter, blur, smart blur, and I already have these options here. It works for me. For your picture you might need different options, so try what works best for you. So now let's press OK, and now it looks a little bit more smoother. And now we need to resize the image. So let's go to image, image size, and put the resolution on 8, and make sure you remove this link button here so you can put the height at 64, the width at 64, and press OK. And now you have a very small image, a pixelized image. And now we need to make this image have less colors. So how do we reduce the colors? So let's go to image, mode, and change it from RGB to indexed color. What's nice about indexed color is that you can choose how many colors the image has. I'm gonna put 10, and the palette I'm gonna put it at local perpetual, and press OK. And now the image has only 10 colors. So now let's get the pencil and zoom in, and let's fix the teeth. Let's hold Alt and you'll get the eyedropper. Let's take the white from here and maybe add some more white pixels here. And let's zoom out, and you can see now Kamala has a smile. So now what we need to do is we need to resize it again. So let's go to image, image size, and change the resolution from 8 to 300. And press OK. And now let's zoom out, and you can see you have a very large image now. So if you want to save the image, you can see it's locked and under index. So you can go to image, mode, and change it back to RGB. And now you can save it under JPEG or PNG or whatever you want. And we're done.